the city movie. The city movie is in 3, 2. Well, not a 3, 2, 1. You thought I was going to say that? Well, it's now actually going to be in 3, 2, 1. So, the Tesla, which you can see here, says Tesla, was driving down the street. And then suddenly, it crashed into the ocean, or maybe not the ocean, into a pond. Help! Help! And he tried to go backwards, but if he tried to go backwards, he would go forwards. But he thought for a sec. And then he thought for a sec, and so if he went backwards, he'll go forwards. If he's going forwards, he'll go backwards. Let's see. No, he still goes forwards. Now he's completely in. So, he called for his friends to come. One of his friends come, and the other. They were here. And when they were there, they just didn't know what to do. So they left him there. But then this one decided to help him actually now. And you can see here, he's an